So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I came to check one of my subscriber farm. He has a pig farm, and the pig one is located at his house here. So at the back of his house he has a very big land there. So inside the land he constructed a pig house that is raising pigs. So those are the videos of the pig that I'm just showing you guys. You can see how the pig looks like. So he has different breed of pigs here, and they are doing great. You understand? They are doing great. So I just want to show you guys how a pig farm looks like. In case if you want to invest your money into pig farming is one of the livestock farming that is very profitable and lucrative. You understand? And they are one of the animals that do give birth to a lot of kids. So even if you have like 2 pigs at your farm, 2 female and 1 male, before in the next 4 to 3 years you have a lot of pigs at your farm, because like I said, they do give birth to a lot of piglets. So we even have some that have delivered already, that have farrowing already, that have a lot of kids. And I'll be taking you guys around the farm for you to see. Like this particular one now, she has 3, five rather. She has 5, you can see. So that is one there, and that is the rest of the one. She has 5 kids here. So, and that is the job of a farmer, for you to be raising pigs and for them to be giving birth, delivering. Those are just the joy of of a farmer. So that is how a pig farm looks like. Although there are several designs of pig house, but this is what he constructed for his. You understand? So that's how a pig farm looks like. You can see this particular one. So, and this one have 3. They're already piglet already. They are piglet already. You can see. So you can see. And also very important, now I want to make something clear to whichever person that has interest in pig farming, or that is already into pig farming, that has this, that has been doing this mistake. If your pig delivers and they are getting up to these 2 months already, you need to be separating the piglet from the mother, so that the mother will have enough time to feed by herself, to have a lot of nutrients and have more milk to produce for the piglet. You can see that this particular one is kind of lean, due to the fact that they do not use to separate the piglet from the mother. And if they are not separating piglet from the mother, they will keep on sucking the breast and the mother will just become lean. So very important, separate piglet from the mother is very important. So I'll take you guys around the farm for you to see, and they have some few goats at the farm too. I brought about 4 goats, local draft, to this farm too. So this is just the rest of the pig here. You see, here's the rest of the pig. You see, so they have some pigs here. So I check out. Let's see how big this particular meal is. So can you see, those one has piglets, they are delivered already. You can see. So that is the same mistake. They don't use to separate the piglet from the mother. Which, if you are into pig farming, or if you want to go into pig farming, definitely need to separate the piglet from the mother. Whichever time they are delivered. You can see this particular one also. There are more. You see.